Sylvester Stallone is an American actor, screenwriter, director, and producer, widely recognized for his roles in action films. Born on July 6, 1946, in New York City, Stallone rose to fame with his portrayal of boxer Rocky Balboa. In the Rocky series, his career took off with the release of the first Rocky film in 1976, for which he also wrote the screenplay. The film was a massive success, earning him an Academy Award nomination for Best Original Screenplay and a nomination for Best Actor. Stallone's career continued to soar with roles in high-profile action films such as Rambo 1982, where he played the iconic character John Rambo, a troubled Vietnam War veteran. His tough guy persona cemented his place as a leading action star in Hollywood. In addition to his acting career, Stallone has been involved in writing and directing many of his films, including sequels in the Rocky and Rambo franchises. He also starred in the directed The Expendables series, which brought together a cast of other action stars like Arnold Schwarzenegger and Bruce Willis. Some of his most notable films include Rocky 1976, his breakout the role as a boxer, Rocky II 1979, the continuation of his journey as a Rocky Balboa, First Blood 1982, the first Rambo film where he plays John Rambo, Rambo First Blood Part 2 in 1985, the second Rambo installment, Rocky IV 1985, Rocky's battle against the Soviet boxer Ivan Drago, The Expendables 2010, a film where he starred alongside other action legends, Creed 2015, a spin-off the Rocky series where Stallone reprised his role as Rocky Balboa, earning him another Academy Award nomination. Stallone has had a lasting influence on the action film genre, known for his intense roles, dramatic fight sequences, and dedication to his craft. MD Udaan News TV, Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social workers Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, Nelvex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all casts. Mobile number 0323478780. You are watching Udaan News.